Hello friends, I am Dr. Anurag Saxena, Senior Consultant Neurosurgeon and Spine Surgeon at Narayana Super Specialty Hospital, Gurgaon. Today we are going to talk to you about deep brain stimulation in Parkinson's patients. So just to start with, what actually is deep brain stimulation? So in common terms, sometimes it is also called as a pacemaker of the brain. In Parkinson's patients, certain symptoms or certain problems like excessive shaking of the hand and stiffness can be helped by this procedure, which actually means stimulating one particular part of the brain, and it gives some certain impulses which helps in alleviating or relieving the symptoms. So the second question arises, who is the right candidate for deep brain stimulation, or whether all Parkinson's patients should undergo deep brain stimulation? So the answer is only selective patients who are responsive to the drug therapy, but however with increasing disease or increasing age or other factors, when the drug doses have become so high that they are producing side effects or they are not effective anymore, these are the patients who are the right candidate for this kind of procedures. So deep brain stimulation helps by producing impulses or by producing some electric signals inside one particular area of the brain, and it actually nullifies the abnormal signal from the area of the brain from where this Parkinson's disease symptoms are arising. And that is how the problems of Parkinson's diseases are improved or the symptoms are relieved. Now the question arises, how exactly is this procedure done? So normally it involves putting a very small tiny wire or electrode inside the brain with a very precise localization. We normally take help of stereotaxy or computer guidance to place a very small wire inside one particular area of the brain from where the symptoms or where the problems is arising. And there is a battery or a pacemaker like thing which is fitted somewhere around your chest here, and it gives important electrical signals at repeated intervals, and that signals stimulate that particular part of the brain, and that continuous stimulation helps in relieving the symptoms of Parkinson's. Now it is commonly asked as to what symptoms this deep brain stimulation can cure or what symptoms deep brain stimulation can improve. One thing is very sure which you have to keep in mind is it is not a cure for Parkinson's disease. However, in right selected candidates, the quality of life is significantly improved. That includes reduction in tremors, which is shaking of the hands, stiffness, difficulty in walking, and in some cases sleep disturbances, and part of the depression also stabilizes. Overall, it improves the quality of life very significantly in right selected patients. Also, what not to expect of deep brain stimulation is very important. As I have previously said, it is not a cure for Parkinson's disease. It is treatment modality to check the symptoms of Parkinson's disease. So one should not expect that the deep brain stimulation is going to cure the patient. However, one should be expecting a significant improvement in quality of life. It doesn't improve certain symptoms like advanced dementia and other things which have to be managed, of course, medically. Now in coming to the Indian scenario, so we are doing this procedure very frequently in highly specialized tertiary care centers and neurosciences centers across India at a very fraction of cost as compared to other international centers with equivalent quality of care. So to conclude, deep brain stimulation is a very safe procedure and is a very effective procedure in selective patients in Parkinson's disease, and it helps to improve the quality of life in a very significant manner. Thank you.